Imagine building towering skyscrapers or navigating ships across vast oceans. How do engineers and sailors calculate precise angles and distances? Today, we'll dive into trigonometry, the secret behind these feats. You'll learn about SOH CAH TOA, finding missing sides and angles in right triangles. Get ready to unlock the power of sine, cosine, and tangent with real-world applications. Let's start with the basics. A right-angled triangle. See that little square? That's our 90-degree angle. Trigonometry is simply the study of how its sides and angles relate. We'll focus on one acute angle, theta, to understand these relationships. Every right triangle has three special sides. First, the hypotenuse, always the longest side, opposite the right angle. Then, the opposite side, directly across from our angle theta. And finally, the adjacent side, right next to theta but not the hypotenuse. Now for the magic mnemonic, SOH CAH TOA. It's your key to remembering the three core trigonometric ratios. SOH means sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. CAH tells us cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA means tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. Let's try an example. Here's a right triangle with a 30-degree angle. The hypotenuse is 10 units. Can we find the side opposite the 30 degrees? We know SOH, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. So, sin, 30, equals opposite, 10. Multiply both sides by 10. Opposite equals 10 times sin, 30, which is 5 units. Easy. What if we need to find an angle instead? Imagine a triangle with an opposite side of 4 and an adjacent side of 3. Which ratio connects opposite and adjacent? That's TOA, tangent. So, tan, theta, equals 4 divided by 3. To find theta, we use the inverse tangent function. Arctan, 4/3, is about 53.1 degrees. Trigonometry isn't just for textbooks. It's everywhere. Imagine a 5-meter ladder leaning against a wall, making a 60-degree angle with the ground. How high up the wall does it reach? We have the hypotenuse, ladder length, and the angle. We want the opposite side, height. SOH to the rescue. Sine, 60, equals height, 5. Height equals 5 times sin, 60, which is approximately 4.33 meters. So practical. And there you have it. SOH CAH TOA is your powerful tool. We've seen how it helps find missing sides and angles in right triangles. From architectural designs to navigating the skies, trigonometry is fundamental. It lets us measure the unmeasurable and calculate the unseen. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of triangles. Explore the world with new eyes.